In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a presentation or simply trying to make your information more visually appealing, pie charts are an excellent way to display data proportions in an easily digestible format. And the best part? Creating a pie chart in Google Sheets is straightforward and quick. So, let's dive right in and transform your data into a beautiful pie chart. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. Make sure your data is organized properly in a table format. Ideally, you should have your categories listed in one column and your corresponding values in the next. This clear organization will allow Google Sheets to seamlessly generate your pie chart. Once you have your data ready, you're set to begin. The next step is to select your table. You can do this by clicking on the first cell of your data and dragging your cursor to the last cell. This way, you'll highlight all the necessary data that will be represented in your pie chart. Remember, the selection should cover both text labels and numerical values so that your chart is comprehensive and accurate. With your data selected, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Insert option. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing different elements you can add to your Google Sheets document. From this menu, you'll want to choose Chart. This action tells Google Sheets that you're ready to convert your selected data into a visual format. After selecting Chart, you'll notice that a default chart appears, likely in a different format from a pie chart. Don't worry, customization is simple in Google Sheets. To specify that you want a pie chart, you'll need to adjust the chart type. Look on the right side of your screen for the chart editor. Under the Setup tab, you'll find the Chart Type drop-down menu. Click on it, and then scroll through the list to find and select Pie Chart. Once you've selected the Pie Chart option, your chart will automatically update to reflect this new format, effectively turning your numeric data into a vibrant pie chart. You can now see how your data proportions stack up against each other in this circular format, with each slice of the pie representing a data category. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pie chart in Google Sheets. Feel free to customize your chart further by using the Chart Editor. You can change colors, add labels, or even adjust the size to better fit your document's needs. I hope this guide was helpful and encourages you to experiment with different data visualizations in Google Sheets. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.